Immersive interactive warm-up videos are exploding across YouTube right now. Channels in this niche are consistently pulling millions of views per upload, some earning between $109,000 and $250,000 every single month. And if you think this only works for big creators, think again. Look at Immersive Fit, a completely new channel. Their first upload was just 3 weeks ago. 4 videos later, they're already sitting near 10 million views and 77,000 plus subscribers. Another new channel, Immersive Warm-Up, launched on November 17th. With just 7 uploads, they've already crossed 11 million views. This niche is brand new, it's viral, and it's wide open for you to enter right now. So in today's video, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint these channels are using. You'll get everything: templates, editing style, workflow, where they find footage, how to build videos in under 10 minutes, and how you can start a faceless channel today and get monetized faster than almost any other niche. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and let's jump straight in. Step 1. Grab the templates. Pause this video, click the first link in the description, and you'll instantly get 5 free immersive animation templates, all in one file: walk, jump, throw, clap, hit, plus 2 music tracks you can plug in right away. Download them first. I'll wait. Done? Good. Now listen, those 5 templates alone are enough to create your first viral video. But if you want to scale quickly and post consistently, I've also put together a full bundle of 20 templates, built in the same format top channels are using to pull millions of views. You'll find the bundle in the pinned comment and in the description, priced at about the cost of 2 coffees. It saves you weeks of trial and error, but start with the free 5 to get going. All right, let's continue. Step 2. Find your footage. You need POV-style clips that make the viewer feel like they're experiencing the movement themselves. Here's exactly what to look for with each template. Walk. Use FPV-style movement shots. Park walks, beach runs, stair climbs, forest trails, anything that feels like forward motion. Jump. Grab clips of jumping, hopping, skipping, or even skyline and space shots. You'll add camera shake later to make it feel dynamic. Want an extra fun twist? Use meme-style cutaways, like an angry grandma, or even a mole popping out of its hole, solely annoyed that you're skipping. I've placed example clips in the Google Drive for inspiration. Throw. Use anything being tossed. Ball throws, paper tosses, even someone cutting a cucumber can work with the right timing. Clap. Look for visuals with celebration energy, crowds cheering, fireworks, light switch flicks, anything that matches a sharp clap. Hit. Use impact visuals, drum beats, boxing punches, things breaking or smashing for a satisfying strike. Now, where do you find this footage? Search platforms like Pixabay, Pexels, Pinterest, or any free stock video site. You can also pull clips from YouTube using royalty-free or Creative Commons licensed content. Step 3. Edit everything in Capcut. Capcut is free, beginner-friendly, and it's the go-to editing tool used by most successful immersive warm-up channels. Here's exactly how to build your video step by step. Import your assets, your music track, plus all the footage you downloaded. Drag the music to the timeline first. This is your rhythm, your heartbeat. Everything will sync to it. Now add your template video to the timeline, then split each exercise segment into individual clips so you can edit them separately. Now the key part. Add an intro text like "ready" or "let's go." Drop in a countdown sound effect at the start. Sync that countdown perfectly with the music. Trim, cut or shift as needed so the beat and the countdown align. Remember the golden rule. Every beat should land on an action. If the beat hits without movement, the energy drops, and so does your retention. Now line everything up like a puzzle. Walk goes under walk, jump under jump, throw under throw, clap under clap, hit under hit. You'll notice there's a small space after each movement. That's where you'll add quick, motivating text transitions like, "Good job, nice." Keep going. These micro rewards help viewers stay engaged. You're crushing it. Let's move to the final step. Once your clips are aligned, your effects are in place, and everything syncs to the beat. You've officially created your first immersive workout video, all in under 10 minutes. Now export. Pro tip: start with short uploads, 2 to 3 minutes, to test your style and hook viewers fast. Once you see what works, scale up to 15 to 30-minute sessions. This niche loves long workouts, and longer videos is equal to more watch time plus more ad revenue. This niche is exploding right now, and those who start early grow the fastest. And now you have everything you need to launch your own channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.